but have been making trips to Mumias to assist in tracing their daughter. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.
Shifting focus, they usually defend their party or coalition positions in Parliament fiercely at times, clashing during heated debates on the floor of the House. However, on the pitch, their teamwork, camaraderie and harmony plays out as they set aside their political differences for the game of football. Bunge FC, which comprises of members from the National Assembly and the Senate, gives a different side of Waheshimiwas as we know them. KTN's Emmanuel Toh interacted with the team and prepared the following report. Well, apologies for that. We're still trying to sort out that issue on our end as Emmanuel Toh has prepared that report on the other side of the members of Parliament, all to do with the Bunge FC team, where they practice camaraderie and teamwork. Let's take a look at that report.
Chilly Thursday morning. They assemble here at the police circle grounds in South Sea, ready for the fixture with Murungaru FC, a visiting team from Nyandarua County. Well, it is 6:30 a.m. here at the police circle stadium, and we are ready for the first match of the day between the Bunge FC and a team that has already assembled here. I'll be joining them for some more action. Let's go. Punctuality is key here for Bunge FC members as they prepare to face their opponents.
We practice every Tuesday and every Thursday from 6 a.m. Ordinarily, we practice at Nyao Stadium, but sometimes when there's a problem with the pitch, we play here, police circle, or sometimes at other pitches. Once every week, we have a match against a visiting team. So the core number of members of Parliament who practice in Senators and National Assembly, I would put it at about 25.
I wake up at 5:30 mostly. I get ready. By 6, I'm in the field. Since I joined Parliament, I've been playing for this team. Over the years, you get better from when you began up to now.
Kashko za Nyandarua ni mawaru, lakini pia futasi hatuko mbaya.
Our captain is Aaron Cheriot, our deputy is Faki. When it comes to National Assembly, our captain is Otiende Amolo, our deputy is Mawade. So we are, as you can see, we are spread across all our houses.
They start with a brief warm-up session that includes jogging on the spot, short runs, fast-paced sidestepping, among others. And after the session and the team selection, the seamless flow of ball from the goalkeeper Yala Member of Parliament Kanini Kega to the defense manned by Rarieda Member of Parliament Otiende Amolo and company, the midfield and the attacking front with sublime transition passes to skillful Nyali MP Mohamed Ali. There is no Kenya Kwanza or Azimio lines, just teammates.
I play number 10. Of course, my icon is Lionel Messi. Like any fan of football, he's the greatest. He makes it look so simple that you feel like you can equally do it. Of course, when you get to the field, it's something different altogether.
Now I'm a supporter of Bandari, though I don't have time to go and watch football, but I'm a keen follower. And if you go to the Premier League, I support Manchester United.
Although I don't support Manchester United, I am an Arsenal fan. But I like you know, that black goalkeeper now doing it in Manchester United. That's a big feat.
And after the 90 minutes, the game ends in a 7-7 draw with a team that plays professional soccer. However, the events on the pitch are a stark contrast of sometimes heated debate sessions that often than not end up chaotic in either of the houses, pitting the government and the opposition members.
For heaven's sake, you're only 3 months old in this house. Keep your calm, learn, be a good disciplined student.
How does a government that says we are short of money explain why you must create offices that we do not need? You do not need the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. You do not need all the 24 cabinet offices.
When they are in the parliament, they play for different teams. There's Miolo Umoja, One Kenya, and Kenya Kwanza. But when they're on the pitch, they play for one team, that is the Bunge FC, and for the flag of Kenya, here and internationally.
Here in the pitch, we leave politics at the gate. We leave status at the gate. There's no Kenya Kwanza, yeah? There's no Azimio. We are all equal. And so here, we don't, and we've never been affected by politics. We will tear each other out there. We'll tear each other with Aaron Cheriot, as we used to appear in those shows, thoroughly. But here in the pitch, we are okay, we are colleagues. We'll just play football.
My co-captain is Otiende Amolo. And Azimio died in the wool fellow, deep inside. And I am Kenya Kwanza, and Kenya Kwanza is me. But on the field, we sweat it out together. We fight for each other like brothers. We travel, we enjoy ourselves.
Even on the days that there are mandamanos on a Thursday, we'll come here, we'll play our game, then people will go for their mandamanos and they'll go for the other plans that they have, or whatever it is.
Their advice to Kenyans:
after devolution, in fact, there is no tribe that cannot be found in whichever part of the country. So anybody that still holds very difficult or different views about other people because of their tribe, because of their political association, you are letting us down as a country. Live together, love one another, appreciate that we live in the greatest country in the world.
The training with the team also comes with some health benefits.
This is where we release our stress here. Yeah, you forget politics for once and you enjoy the 90 minutes. Yeah. And again, if you see members of parliament outside there, very strong and aggressive, they are moving from one function to another. And you're wondering, what are they taking? They are not taking anything. They are just doing good exercise.
It's my way of managing my weight. Otherwise, when I don't play for a month or two, I'll look so big.
It is not politics all the time. You also need to, to at least do some sporting activity. I also do run. I usually do 100 meters. I do 4x1. Yeah, so I am the Omanyara around here. And it actually helps us keeping fit and also, but more importantly, as I said, is to have that physical fitness.
Ball inasaidia sana kwa vijana. Vijana wakicheza sport mara mengi wajihusisha na haya mambo mabaya ama mambo maovu kama mihadarati, wizi na mambo kama hayo.
However, for the coaches, led by former Harambee Stars defender George Sunguti and his team of assistants, the job comes with its fair share of delicate balancing acts.
As you could see, we had a lot of weshimiwa, and making that decision of who to start and who not to start, again, it's a challenge, yes, but like I told you, it's about having people who understand you. We've worked for so long. You could see today like Senator Faki didn't play, and he's a good player. You understand? He's come all the way from Coast. He's not played. He just landed today morning.
The team has, however, lost key players over time, some who lost in elections and others who are elevated to more responsibilities.
And as you know, one of our key players is now a CS, Bwana Kipchumba Murkomen. He was our main striker, and replacing him has been a challenge because he was the goal scorer. Right now we lack the out-and-out goal scorer, and him coming to training has been a challenge because I think this year he has done like two trainings alone. So I think that is one of the challenges.
The Bunge FC will be participating in the East African Interparliamentary Games in December in Kigali, Rwanda, and are left with 4 months to sharpen their craft. Emmanuel Toh, KT News, Nairobi.
Let's now take our fast break.